Hello everybody, it's me, an 8-year-old boy. Today I'll show you how to make using code and make a volcano in Minecraft Education Edition. Let's get started. First, press play if you have an account, or else you may sign in to an account. Go to view my world, and I already got a world here because I just want to find the perfect biome for the volcano. So this is a jungle, as you see. It's like the surrounding is pretty cool, and there's also a desert temple over there. Let's make it like somewhere in a flat area. Let's go find a place. Somewhere like here. Or you can go in the desert or any other biomes. It doesn't have to be this biome. You can choose any biome, but this will do. Then let's name our new and click C and name our and just simply make a code and make a new project named volcano. Create. Then now on chat command run. Just simply, maybe it was shortened by we're gonna do volcano. This makes 3 new variables. PX for player X, PY for player Y, and PZ, the Z position. Simply set player X to position get value of x west. But don't put the position. It's not going to be here. We're going to go into probably player, I think, and player world position. Put it there. Like that. And duplicate it. And put the PY, but for Y up down, and duplicate it again and put it for PZ for player Z position. Change it to Z south north. Okay, then make a new variable named radius. This place set PX, set PY, set PZ is all for where the volcano spawns. It wants to spawn where you are. And set radius to let's see 10. I think. And make a new variable again and set to layer radius. And set layer radius to radius for now. And let's make another new variable named level. And just simply set level to 0. Let's start making the volcano. Drag out a repeat loop from the loops category and maybe make it for the radius. Count for radius. For the radius you can have fun and for the set radius value, you can make any. Maybe later I'll try some more. Repeat radius times and go to, I think we click advanced and put and do shape and drag out circle of this block. So then maybe we should make the volcano gravel or anything. But stone's more realistic, so I'll go with stone. You can also search, by the way. And for the center, maybe we should go to position. Position. Oh, sorry. Position. Yeah, click into another place. And I think get the world. world and put it in the center. And for the first value, it's the x, then put px. And for second value, it's py, but let's put py, go to math and drag out plus level. So it doesn't like keep making a flat shape. So we can place block like a mountain. And for the last value, it's also just PZ simply. For the radius, just put layer radius, simple as that. And for around, just do up and down because the volcano is up and down, probably. Then after, change level by 1. And change layer radius by -1. And let's also have the volcano make it like random, so it drops blocks down. So like it doesn't like the volcano explosion, like make it random so the whole volcano is not covered with lava. Drag out, go to loops and drag out repeat. And repeat, how about 300 times? And go to maybe blocks and drag out place and like this. Maybe we'll place gravel. Then for the position, go to position, drag out world. And for the first value, just px. Basically, it's the same from the top, so let's just duplicate it from the center. Like that. Wait, can I put it in? Yeah, like that. Then let's also place some sand because in volcano version there's also sand. So do the same for sand. But gravel and sand in the air, if there's no blocks under it, it will just fall down. So if you choose like maybe cobblestone or something, or like sandstone, it will not fall down. It's like floating in the air. That's not really realistic. Then at the end, place. After the repeat 300, place like lava. World, px, py, plus level, and pz, like this. Now let's test it. I think it will all work. Okay, click start and click start and click return or T and enter volcano as in the command. And as you see, it starts building the volcano. Isn't it cool? Like this. Wait, we have a problem. Wait, I will just check if pick random, not like, I did like a mistake. Let's also put this for full screen. Yeah, like this. I did we should pick random. Go to math and drag out pick random. Then pick random from radius, not like 0 to radius, and for the other side simply just drag out like 0 minus radius. Go to math, drag out minus and duplicate radius, put it on the right, and then plus, go to math and plus, put this on the left, plus px. Now same for the pz, but change the last value to pz. And put the x in x, and put the z in z. Same for the bottom one. Just duplicate it, put x in x, put z in z. Now if we try in a different place than this place, maybe we should try here. Give the chat command volcano. Whoa. Let's see how the volcano turns out. I hope it goes well. Yes, now it keeps dropping sand. I'll try in the desert because look, see these gravel and sand like falling on the trees. And it's not really realistic since the gravel is supposed to like break branch. These sand is supposed to like fall through leaves or something. But let's see how the volcano turns out. Just wait for a moment. See, now the lava goes out. Pretty. We're done the code, but let's try in some different places. Like, see, I'll just show you like when it touches like the trees. Like the trees will immediately start burning like that. Let's try like maybe you want like more lava. Like maybe we'll try like over here or somewhere. Maybe you want to try in some different areas. I'll try in the desert. And I'll run the code. And volcano. Cool. I hope this turns like... Now it's more realistic. Don't you think? Maybe you want to add more lava. That's certain. Because see, if after it's done, maybe you think, oh, so little lava, it's not realistic. Sometimes if it's like pick random, you might get unlucky because see, as now I got like unlucky and the lava gets trapped. But maybe we'll deal with that in another episode. But you can just break the blocks. Maybe we should add more lava. I'll try and add more lava. Maybe. Also, maybe you should add another lava, just like, no, I don't think we should do that. I think we'll be happy with what we have now. See now, like the lava's like a flowing lava. Let's try some different places because I don't like doing things in the desert that much because it's not like really more fun. Let's test it in some bamboo areas. The volcano turns out well. It replaces all the blocks. Nice. Maybe you should want to break some bamboo if you're in bamboo area, because now like a bamboo can stop sand. It's like magic. So you might like want to break bamboos like me, because they are literally stopping sand. Now the lava is coming down. You may also get unlucky because there might be a hole here, like, yeah. But if you don't, it feels like it's pretty, yeah, it's going good. If you break some blocks and make your volcano nicer, I hope you make more kind of volcanoes. See ya. This is the end of the video. Bye. Also, there's a panda right there. Have fun making your own special volcano. There's also a tunnel. Cool. Bye. See ya. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, tutorial. If you did, please smash the like button to view my latest video. Like maybe coding a house in Minecraft with codes. And share your comments about this tutorial. If you feel good or you want to add something new, please post it in the comments. Bye bye.